Welcome back to All About AI Tech, your go-to source for everything cutting-edge in AI. Today, we're diving into something super interesting, how artificial intelligence is reshaping the music industry. Stay tuned. You won't want to miss this. Remember LimeWire? Back in the early 2000s, LimeWire changed how we consumed music forever. It was this peer-to-peer file-sharing software that disrupted the entire music industry. Crazy, huh? But that was just the beginning. Now, let's fast forward. AI and music have a longer history than you might think. Would you believe it dates back to the mid-1950s? Early AI-composed music like the Iliac Suite, created by LeJaron Hiller and Leonard Isaacson, marked the starting point. So how did we get from there to here? In today's world, AI is doing amazing things, like helping to create EDM tracks designed to boost human performance. Let's dive deeper into that. Enter Neil Lee Chauhan. He's a Canadian-British entrepreneur and former top 10 Canadian EDM DJ who noticed his sons played better ice hockey when listening to EDM. Pretty cool, right? Inspired by this, Neil founded MNDLB5, or Mind Labs, bringing together alumni from Google, Salesforce, and Toronto Metropolitan University. Their mission? Use AI to enhance human performance through music. And guess what? Their research confirmed that music enhances focus, engagement, and performance in many fields, including sports and coding. MNDLB5 has already launched 6 new EDM tracks that utilize AI for everything, from songwriting to sound effects. Today, these tracks are some of the first to be completely AI-enhanced. Andrew Hogarth, MNDLB5's lead producer, says they aim to drive the evolution of EDM using AI. Can you imagine the possibilities? But not everyone is thrilled. We spoke to DMC from the legendary group Run-DMC. His take on AI in music? Let's just say he's not a fan. DMC told us in an email, "I do not like the idea of AI being used for music creation. There's no reason for it at all because there are too many great musicians who are alive and real." Strong words. Not everyone sees it that way. Many industry professionals think AI is just another tool in their toolkit. Patrice Laflamme, a Juno Awards jury member, sees AI as a facilitator, not a replacement. Patrice elaborates, saying that just like how analog recording evolved, AI can simplify and assist in music creation without replacing the human touch. But what about the legalities? Remember how LimeWire faced lawsuits in 2010? The ethical questions surrounding AI-generated music are just beginning. One hot-button issue is fairness and diversity. AI can unfortunately replicate biases present in its training data. Transparency is another ethical cornerstone. How was the music created? What data was used? Musicians and listeners alike want answers. Intellectual property is a tangled web. If AI creates music, who owns it? The software creator or the user? Laflamme stresses the importance of reading licenses carefully. Then there's the question of authenticity. Can AI truly capture the emotional depth and innovation only humans can provide? And what about human musicians? Chauhan thinks AI will enable more people to create, but ultimately, a human touch is irreplaceable, especially in performances. Award shows are now grappling with these questions too. Should AI-generated music get its separate category or award show? Both the Grammys and the Junos are setting rules. They allow elements of AI but stress that humans must be the primary creative forces. There are different opinions. DMC believes AI should not even be in the same space as human artists, while Laflamme thinks AI is just another helpful tool. So what does the future hold? Will AI democratize music creation or lead to oversaturation? Different experts have different takes. Accessibility is another key term here. Laflamme believes that more creators will enter the scene, making it even tougher to stand out. Yet, it's the music industry and its creators who will steer the ship. We can only hope that they'll set guidelines to keep creativity and fairness intact. Wow, what a journey! Whether you're excited or skeptical, one thing's for sure. AI is here to stay in the music world. What do you think? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this deep dive into AI and music, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with friends. Let's build this community together. Your support means a lot, and we're working hard to bring you the best content.